Financial capability is a key life skill. ÇEMMA aims to improve the financial capability skills of Maltese citizens during life events and retirement. In Stage 1, the foundation years, beginning from primary school and through to secondary, ÇEMMA creates training programs and tools to support teachers to apply financial literacy in the various subjects. Stage 2, the accumulation years. Late teens are one of the weakest points in a person's financial life, whether they choose to continue with education or work. We can strengthen our financial capability with tools like the ÇEMMA Budget app and Retire Smart. In our late 20s and early 30s, we start to settle down and save for a home or family. We also enter into loans. We need to learn the importance of saving and investing for the future. Stage 3, the preservation years. Once we start our career and find stable employment, we think about financially securing our future through investments in private pension schemes with tax rebates. These eventually would result in a second pillar pension upon retirement. One example is the Voluntary Occupational Retirement Pension Scheme. It benefits both the employer and employee, as it offers mutual tax rebates and is also a retention tool for the employer. Stage 4, golden years. Digital technologies have transformed society under all aspects, including the financial areas. But many older persons are affected negatively as they are not so digitally skilled. ÇEMMA is working with local banks and unions to hold sessions for older persons on digital financial education and online banking. ÇEMMA also focuses on specific populations with different needs. Together with mental health services, we developed a strategic partnership to design and implement a financial capability training program and guidebook for service users. The ÇEMMA team organizes webinars every quarter for the public. These are linked to current financial capability teams. There is also personal financial management training for adults, which is designed by ÇEMMA and offered through lifelong learning. Together with our partners EY, HSBC Malta and the tax department within the Ministry for Finance, ÇEMMA also holds online masterclass training for small business owners, teaching them essential skills and the knowledge required to run a business. ÇEMMA organizes financial capability-themed competitions, educational and fun ways to engage schools and youths. Through the website, newsletter and social media, ÇEMMA keeps the public and subscribers educated and updated. ÇEMMA strives to ensure that Maltese society is financially capable and aware of how financial decisions are taken. During summer of 2023, ÇEMMA team visited 49 Scola Saif centres, teaching financial capability to approximately 2,500 students between the ages of 8 and 14. Closing with a fun competition with prizes in collaboration with HSBC Foundation Malta. ÇEMMA carried out 2 editions of its online business masterclass training, each of 5 sessions in collaboration with Tax and Customs Administration Malta, HSBC Foundation Malta and EY Malta. We have continued with our 60+ sessions, 24 sessions in 6 localities: Paola, Valletta, Melleja, Siġġiewi, Marsa Scala and St. Paul's Bay, reaching over 230 persons in collaboration with HSBC Foundation Malta, local councils and the Ministry for Active Ageing. We participated in International Money Week 2023 in collaboration with the Malta Bankers Association and gave information talks for teachers. ÇEMMA published 2 financial literacy-themed children's books in Maltese, which were launched at the Malta National Book Festival, written by author Sandra Healy Vassallo and illustrated by Nadine de Battista Birfa. Malta, through ÇEMMA, participated in the OECD INFE International Survey on Adult Financial Literacy. PEPI project. ÇEMMA participated in the EU-funded project of the European Consumer Debt Network ECDN, the project for the provision of a European platform for the prevention of over-indebtedness by the increase of accessibility and the improvement of effectiveness of debt advice, through webinars, seminars, and the sharing of resources as well as the ECDN conference in Malta in March 2023. ÇEMMA No Plan Act, within the Ministry for Social Policy and Children's Rights, works towards improving the lives of citizens of all ages through financial capability. Contact us for more information on ċemma@gov.mt. Visit us on our portal and follow us on our socials.